Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to blur part of image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select this picture and click open. Then place the picture. Now we can see we insert a picture. Now we want to blur this mango. Go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu. Now I am select the ellipse tool. Then draw the ellipse over the mango. Then select this fill color and choose white. Then click right button on our mouse to this shape and go to the layer effect option and check mark on the grayscale blur. Then increase the radius. Then click close. Then decrease the opacity to this shape. You can change the color, make this blur. Now we can see we make a part of image blur very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.